everyone. This is my research event. The impact of kidnapping on Dato Lima integrated school students, academic performance, and psychological well-being of the study. Chapter 1, Introduction Background of the Study. Kidnapping is traumatic event with severe and lasting effects on victims, including psychological distress and disruption on their daily lives. Students who experience or are closely affected by kidnapping incidents may face significant challenge in academic performance and mental health. In communities near Datapong Lima Integrated School, kidnapping cases have become a source of fear, impacting student attendance, concentration, and emotional stability. This study aims to understand how kidnapping affects the academic and psychological well-being of the school students. Respondents, students affected by kidnapping incidents, school counselors and teachers, selected parents or guardians of affected students. Chapter 2, Review of Related Literature. Research shows kidnapping has profound psychological effects, included PTSD, anxiety, depression, and disrupted cognitive function that impair academic performance. Studies focusing on student victims found increased concentration difficulties and lower academic achievement following traumatic events. Coping strategies range from social support seeking to counseling intervention. However, research exists on indirect academic implication of kidnapping, especially within school communities affected by persistent security speech. Stop. Chapter 3, Methodology Research Design. A qualitative case study to explore the life experiences and academic outcomes of students affected by kidnapping. Participants: purposive sampling of students affected by kidnapping at Datapong Lima Integrated School, along with school counselors, teachers, and parents. Chapter 4, Results and Discussion. Results reveal that kidnapping accidents cause significant disruption in students' academic progress, including increased absenteeism and decline in grades. Psychological effects included their anxiety and symptoms of trauma. Coping mechanisms varied but often involve reliance on family and school counseling. Discussion emphasized the critical need for comprehensive psychological support integrated with academic assistance to facilitate student recovery. Chapter 5, Conclusion and Recommendations, Academic Performance and Psychological Well-being of Students at Datapong Lima Integrated School. It is vital to enhance school counseling, survives develop trauma, inform teaching approaches, and engage families and community stakeholders in support initiatives. Recommendations include establishing regular psychological screening and counseling, incorporating trauma awareness training for teachers, creating peer support in safe spaces within schools, developing partnerships with local authorities for student safety and crisis intervention. Informative introduction. Flooding is a recurrent and increasingly severe natural hazard globally, a risk exacerbated by climate change and human impact on the environment. Response governments allocate billions of dollars towards vital flood control infrastructure and management systems. But the mechanics of corruption in Next stem from Greek public lighting process to the construction of GOS projects funds intended for durable, dust-effective drainage systems, and robust seawalls are often diverse solutions involving kickbacks and inflated costs. Downside in engineering principles of community safety. The consequences of this corruption are borne most heavily by vulnerable communities who face the double burden of environmental risks and official betrayal when compromised infrastructure fails. Homes and livelihoods are destroyed and lives are tragically conclusion. Corruption is critical impediment to effective flood control and national resilience. Diverse essential funds result in failed infrastructure and endanger human life, turning a preventable problem into recurring disaster.